morning, guys, and welcome to Friday. Papa raw banana because I just finished breakfast and mommy put like raw papa in food. Like I had fig curry. Like it's basically like coconut, green figs, and it's actually just real good. Just real good, guys. Fig curry and roti. If you don't know what that is, I'll try to insert a picture. If I don't, I'm sorry. Probably. Yeah. Anyways, so I just come back from the grocery. We went to buy if you don't know, tomorrow and Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday, it's carnival in Trinidad. So well, to us it's like holiday time. We just like get all those holidays to stay home, and we like to cook like plenty, like cook a lot, like a whole lot of different things, and we love to barbecue around carnival time. So we went to the grocery and buy up all these things to cook, to make desserts, and just cook a whole set of different things because that's just our tradition to cook. And today I was supposed to wash. I didn't get up with the idea to wash now. Since last night I was like, okay, today I'll wash. I went to sleep late last night. I went to sleep like around 12, which is kind of bad. And then when I get up this morning, I get up like after 8. So like when I get up late, like that, oh yeah, that's late for me. When I get up that time, I doesn't really feel to do much, and I don't really push myself to do a lot during the day, but I have to do a lot of things today. One, I need to clean my room because I didn't get to do that yesterday. Rain gonna fall, so I can't wash, and I have to edit the thumbnail for this week's video. I have to edit the thumbnail for today's video and upload that. That would be up most likely by about 1 to 2ish. Just wanted to mention, so usually every single time, like before I go on bed, I tend to brush out my hair so that it would be detangled and the product would be able to go through my hair like evenly, like, and I would have like less hair loss, right? So for the past 2 days I've been having coconut oil soaking in my hair, and no joke, I am mind blown by literal, I didn't even expect this. Like, okay, this might be gross, TMI, but the amount of hair loss that I've had is half the amount that I usually have if I don't have coconut oil in my hair, and it's literally this amount. This is, I don't know if you can see this, but like, okay, so this is the amount of hair loss that it is, and that is half the amount that I would usually have if I don't use coconut oil. Just wanted to mention that coconut oil is the solution. Natural coconut oil I have locally made. I have some of the locally made one, not the cream one, but the actual oil. And I today it wasn't really productive. I wasn't really feeling good. My tonsils were still swollen, and I had some pains on my stomach, so I didn't really do much. But feeling a little bit good right now because right before bed I started planning. I have my weekly layout. Yes, feeling productive because I have my weekly layout. I don't know if you guys want to see. Show you what it's supposed to look like, right? My weekly layout is supposed to look a little bit like this, but keep in mind that this month is February and my theme is like roses and pink, having that little pink touch, so I changed it up, and this is my layout, how it is. This is, okay, the thing is, I actually kind of like it. I think it turned out pretty okay. The only thing I feel like the roses here like look better than the hats. I find like the hats kind of look horrible. My layout originally for February was just roses and not hats, but I was like, okay. And here I actually make a mistake and put the 19, so I was like, okay, let's just put some washi tape and see if we could cover that up. So there, and then I put some there too so that it would look a little bit okay. So like I said before, the roses really good. I don't know if I showed you guys, I don't know if you all want to see this, but how my month layouts actually have these gorgeous roses. Like from the time I see this, I was like, yes, I have to do this. So this is how like my February month turned out. I don't know why, but I really like these roses. This is how my February month layout turned out. I actually really like these roses. Like, they are gorgeous. I still have to fill in all these other things, but put this one tape, and it's so simple. Have some goals here. Also, let me know if you want to see like weekly plan with me or like monthly plan with me or something like that. Whatever you guys want to see, because I actually like I've started bullet journaling. Like this year I started bullet journaling, and the first year of bullet journaling for me didn't go so good, but this year I feel like it's going real good because I find a strategy that's working for me and like how I'm doing it and stuff like that, and I'm able to like personalize it to myself a little bit more. So let me know if you want to see that, and we shall go on this planning and organization journey together if y'all want. Also, I don't know if all you know, but I kind of obsessed with things like Korean and Japanese culture, like so I love chopsticks, love sushi by the way, if you all don't know, and I've had this disposable chopsticks for a while, and I am literally eating almost every day with a pair of chopsticks. Like almost every day I eat with a pair of chopsticks, and I actually have this little white bowl with a Japanese writing in it. I don't remember what it says, but it's Japanese writing. I don't have the bowl right now. I don't know if that's weird, but I would wash this this is disposable chopsticks, and I would wash this over and over just to use it. Who else loves this show as much as I love it? Like I used to love this so much as a kid. Still love it. It's like one of my favorite shows. I could still remember most of the shows that I love, like when I was smaller, like Popeye and all this other stuff. Like, if you still love this and you remember this show, give this vlog a thumbs up, guys. Just do it, just do it. And if you don't know what show this is, I don't know where they come out from, right? But you had to know this show. Good morning, guys. So it's Monday right now. Right now I'm washing. My uncle came this morning, so him and mommy just gone out. Daddy and I home later. Daddy actually on call to go to work, so we're not sure if it is we gonna meet mommy and uncle, but we're supposed to probably like lunchtime after this evening. Probably a little bit lunchtime or right after lunch. Daddy and I supposed to go and meet mommy and uncle. At least I still have my school to do, so I'm gonna do that after. I think I have a good couple more things to do. I'm still not getting time to like study, but tomorrow is actually my study day, so like we just hope that I can like push all that work and like just get like all the other errands and things done today. Let me see if we can do all of that today. And yeah, if you want to see my outfit, I'm sure I have this romper. It's like this brown romper. Like I love, like you see this. Put this here. Okay, so like this, I really like this romper. It was like so cute, and I have like two little pockets, and I love that about the romper. But the thing is, this is actually like a good romper. It's like a going out romper, and I went out with this I think like once or twice until I realized no, I'm not going anywhere else with a romper, because when I had to go to the washroom, guys, I felt naked. Like, you know, remember it's a romper, so you have to like pull on everything. I felt naked, so I was like, you know what, rompers, I'm not going on with it again, so I'm not gonna buy like good new ones. If I have to buy a romper, I'll buy a casual one for like home, or not really gonna buy much rompers, even though some of them like are all cute though. But yeah, that's good evening, guys, and welcome to Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, and that's a long reach home. And guess what, guys, I have an early Valentine. I got this from my little nephew. He's like 3 or 3, something like that. Yes, so I have an early Valentine. I'm so happy about it. I get early Valentine. And today I already planned out for this week. I do some work. I did a little bit of studying. I'm just gonna like chill, because I like literally not so long reach home. I wasn't home last night at all, and I think hear what I want to tell you, happy Valentine's for tomorrow, because I think that I'm gonna try to edit and upload this vlog. I don't know if today or tomorrow, but I want to say an early happy Valentine's to tomorrow, because I don't think I will vlog tomorrow. So yeah, happy Valentine's, guys, and I hope you all enjoy this weekly vlog. I hope it was a good thing. Let me know if you all want to see more. Bye.